Ever feel like you're drowning in repetitive tasks and manual updates? In this video, you will discover how to automate your ClickUp workspace so you can save hours every week and focus on what matters most. Watch as I walk you through 7 proven automations that will transform your workflow with no coding required. Plus, I have created a ClickUp doc with all the automation recipes that I will discuss so you can copy them straight into your workspace.
Hi, I'm Hina. I'm the founder of IT Visionists and a systems consultant. I help businesses turn chaos into clarity by streamlining their operations with the best fit tools and automations.
ClickUp automations let you automate repetitive tasks, streamline processes, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you are managing client onboarding, sales, or internal projects, automations can save you hours every week. Let's jump into my screen and see how these automations work in real life. The first one is auto-assign tasks from form submissions. When a client fills out a form, automatically create a task and assign it to the right team member. So you go into your automations and in the triggers, when the task is created, select Forms. In the actions, look for Change Assignee and select the user you want this to be assigned. Provide a description. You can copy that and paste it to provide the name of this automation so that when anybody else is using that, they know what is this automation and what it is doing, and for your own remembrance as well. This automation is perfect for service requests, support tickets, or new client onboarding. And if this is a lead form, you can set up an automation to auto-send an email to the lead as acknowledgement as well. Status-based notifications. Automatically notify team members or clients when a task moves to a certain status, like ready for review or completed, and set the due date. So in the trigger, select the status change, and in the actions, you can add a comment, mention add assignee. Please work on the proposal for this, and then you can choose the task name within 2 working days and change the due date. So I am changing this to the due date to be 2 days after the trigger date. Provide the description and the name of the automation. Keep everyone in the loop without manual updates. When task is overdue, set priority to high and change name to show overdue alert. So in the triggers, you need to choose date is before or after. So I am setting this to 1 day after the due date. So if the due date is gone for a day and the status is still not done, because we need to make sure that it is overdue. What we're choosing is not any of the done ones or closed ones. Then in the action, change the priority to high or urgent based on your recipes, and then look for change of task name. And here, at the start of the task name, you can append the word overdue with an alert sign and choose task name. Provide a description and the name of automation. This automation makes sure overdue tasks get noticed right away. It marks them as high priority and it's overdue to the name, so nothing slips through the cracks and your team can act quickly. Automatically send summary reports to your team or clients. In your dashboard, if you go into Schedule Report, then trigger on a schedule, and here you can set up whenever you need that schedule to be done, whenever the report needs to be sent out. So you can select a time and whenever you want this specific automation to start running. And you can, in the advanced fields, you can change the time zones and whenever this automation should end. Then in the actions, in the send email report, you have to provide the name, the email account, and you're done. You can save time on manual reporting and keep everyone informed with automated, easy to understand summaries. One thing to note here is that if this is a schedule report based on a dashboard, and if you have any embedded coding widgets within that, those won't show up in the PDF that's generated by this report. When task or subtask is unblocked, change status accordingly and notify the assignee to start working on it. So in the trigger, we choose task or subtask is unblocked, and in the actions, we set the status ready to start, and then we can add a comment accordingly. The benefit of this automation is that it keeps work moving forward without delays. As soon as a blocked task or subtask becomes unblocked, the status is updated automatically and the assignee is notified right away. When a task is created, add subtasks automatically using a task template. This will trigger a series of subtasks to ensure consistency and professional experience. So here, when a task or subtask is created, we apply the template and change the due date. A simple use case for this automation can be client onboarding. When a new client onboarding task is created, ClickUp can automatically add a set of subtasks using a task template, such as send welcome email, correct client documents, schedule kickoff call, and set up client folder. This ensures that every client goes through the same onboarding steps, saving time and making the process consistent and professional. Here you can see when a task is created, 5 subtasks appear. When a status changes to a particular one, like initiate sales cycle, duplicate the task in another list and set its status accordingly. For example, when a deal moves to closed won, automatically copy it to the onboarding list so your team can start right away. Or if a support ticket needs engineering help, duplicate it to the engineering list so nothing gets missed and both teams stay updated. These automations make team hands-off fast and seamless. Want to copy these automations? Check the description for a link. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.